everyone. Today, we are exploring the fascinating journey of GPUs, how they have evolved from simple graphics rendering tools to becoming the backbone of AI and futuristic technologies like autonomous vehicles, digital twins, and the metaverse. As future engineers and leaders, this is our chance to reflect on what's ahead and how we can shape it. GPUs or graphics processing units started as specialized chips for rendering graphics in video games. But in 2006, NVIDIA's introduction of CUDA opened a new world of possibilities, allowing GPUs to perform complex computations in parallel. This marked a turning point, especially for AI and machine learning. By 2018, the inclusion of tensor cores in GPUs further accelerated their ability to train AI models faster than ever before. Today, GPUs don't just power gaming. They are central to breakthroughs in healthcare, scientific research, and even space exploration. One of the most exciting GPU applications is in autonomous vehicles. GPUs process enormous amounts of data from sensors like cameras, lidar, and radar to make split-second decisions. For example, they help cars detect pedestrians, predict traffic flow, and even navigate in bad weather. But that's not all. GPUs are transforming AI applications globally, from diagnosing diseases with unparalleled accuracy to powering robots in industries. GPUs have become the backbone of innovation. For example, imagine a future where AI-powered ambulances equipped with GPU-driven diagnostics reach you faster and start life-saving procedures on the spot. This is no longer science fiction, it's becoming reality. The pace of GPU development is staggering. With advancements like the NVIDIA H100, we can now process AI models that were once thought impossible. But where does this lead us? Take digital twins is an example. Virtual replicas of real-world systems. Imagine cities being simulated digitally, allowing urban planners to predict and solve traffic problems before they even happen. Or consider the metaverse, where GPUs create hyper realistic virtual environments that could redefine communication, education, and entertainment. But is the metaverse the next frontier or just hype? That is a question we must answer carefully, balancing excitement with practicality. As future engineers, we stand at the crossroads of innovations and responsibility. It's thrilling to imagine a world where GPUs help create sustainable energy solutions or revolutionize healthcare with personalized treatments. But with great power comes great responsibility. How do we ensure these technologies are ethical and accessible to all? How do we tackle issues like job displacement, privacy concerns, and the digital divide? Ultimately, we have a duty to create technologies that uplift humanity, not just profit from it. These are the questions we need to ask ourselves as we design the future. In conclusion, GPUs have revolutionized computing and opened doors to a future filled with possibilities. From AI driven cars to enter virtual worlds, as we move forward, let's embrace these advancements responsibility and ensure that they lead to a brighter, more inclusive future. Thank you for joining me in this reflection. Let's take these ideas and turn them into an action as we step into our roles as the next generation of engineers and innovators.